Here is the damage that is happening to my legs and my body because I'm not supposed to be walking. I'm a disabled person, and I had a disabled placard in my car and everything, and they still threw me out on the street, and now my legs are swelling up so bad I can't even walk. I'm marking this as personal injury evidence number 1. As you can see, my legs were never this big. Never I've ever had legs this swollen before. Yeah, and this is all due to them taking my car and stealing my home.